Have you ever wondered if you could turn your Pinterest scrolling habit into real income? You're in the right place. Welcome to our channel, where we turn everyday online tools into powerful money-making machines. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on Pinterest, even if you've never sold anything online before. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income stream, Pinterest offers untapped potential. And I'll walk you through step-by-step strategies you can start using today. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a future video. Let's get you earning. 1. The visual goldmine. Pinterest isn't just for inspiration, it's a search engine with serious money-making potential. Think of each pin you post as a mini billboard that works 24/7. By designing eye-catching pins, you attract thousands of viewers daily. Link your pins to products, blogs, or affiliate links. Every click can turn into revenue if you do it right. Use Canva to create pins that stand out in a crowded feed. Stick to your niche and stay consistent with your brand's style. Add keyword-rich descriptions to boost discoverability. This visual goldmine is waiting. Learn to mine it smartly. Make sure your pin sizes follow Pinterest's recommended dimensions for maximum impact. Try A/B testing different designs to see what resonates most with your audience. Repin your top-performing content regularly to keep it in circulation. Create theme boards that organize your content and attract targeted followers. The more strategic you are with visuals and timing, the more money you can make. 2. Affiliate marketing magic. Pinterest is a powerhouse for affiliate marketing if you know how to use it correctly. Start by signing up for affiliate programs in your niche. You can promote everything from fashion to tech to digital courses. Every time someone clicks your pin and buys, you get paid. Simple as that. Create valuable content around those products to drive trust. Use URL shorteners or tracking links to measure your success. Don't spam. Focus on genuine, helpful content. Pin regularly and space out your affiliate promotions. Diversify with multiple affiliate networks. The magic is in consistency and value. Design your pins to clearly highlight the benefits of the product you're promoting. Write compelling call-to-action text in your pin descriptions. Always disclose affiliate links when required to stay compliant. Join Pinterest group boards to expand your reach faster. Monitor trends and update your affiliate strategy to stay ahead of the curve. 3. The niche that pays. The key to success on Pinterest is finding your golden niche. Whether it's fitness tips, budgeting hacks, or DIY crafts, niches drive targeted traffic. A focused niche builds loyal followers and boosts engagement. Avoid being too broad. Instead, get laser specific. You want to become the go-to expert in your space. Create content that solves problems for your niche audience. Use Pinterest trends to research hot topics. Align your boards and pins around this central theme. The narrower your niche, the bigger your authority. Your niche isn't just content, it's your income engine. 4. Monetize with blog traffic. One of the smartest ways to make money on Pinterest is to drive traffic to your blog. Pinterest users love learning and discovering new ideas. If you offer value through blog posts, they'll keep clicking. Once on your blog, monetize with ads, products, or affiliate links. Focus on solving problems and providing tutorials. Use Pinterest SEO to optimize your pin titles and descriptions. Each pin becomes a portal to your website. Set up rich pins to pull metadata automatically. More blog traffic means more income streams. Make your blog Pinterest's favorite destination. 5. Sell your own products. Pinterest is a goldmine for creators selling physical or digital products. From printables to handmade goods to ebooks, the platform drives hungry buyers. Create pins that highlight product benefits with stunning visuals. Link directly to your online store or Etsy shop. Use Pinterest shopping tools for easier selling. Offer discounts or exclusive deals to drive urgency. Share behind the scenes of your creation process for trust. Make sure your landing page is mobile-friendly. Keep testing different images and formats. Pinterest isn't just exposure, it's a full-on sales channel. 6. Course creation and promotion. Are you skilled in something valuable? Turn that knowledge into income by selling online courses through Pinterest. People search the platform for how-tos and tutorials. Create pins that lead to free webinars or email funnels. Educate before you sell to build credibility. Use testimonials and reviews in your pin designs. Keep branding consistent to boost recognition. Offer bite-sized tips in your pin captions. Lead viewers from curiosity to enrollment. With Pinterest, your course has global reach 24/7. Teach what you love and let Pinterest do the marketing. 7. Build and monetize email lists. Email is still king when it comes to making money online, and Pinterest is your best list-building friend. Use lead magnets like free guides or checklists in your pin offers. Direct users to landing pages with opt-in forms. Once they're on your list, you own the connection. Send value-packed emails and introduce products later. Use Pinterest analytics to see which pins convert best. Test different headlines and visuals to boost sign-ups. Don't forget to nurture your list with consistent content. Over time, this email list becomes your revenue pipeline. Your real money is in your audience. 8. Offer Pinterest-based services. Pinterest isn't just for earning through your own account. You can get paid to manage others. Many bloggers and small businesses need Pinterest virtual assistants. Learn the ropes of pin creation, scheduling, and analytics. Offer services like profile audits, pin design, and keyword research. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to find clients. Build a portfolio by helping 1 or 2 accounts for free. Once experienced, you can charge $300, $1,000/month per client. Stay updated with algorithm changes and best practices. You're not just pinning, you're building a profitable skill. Get paid to help others grow. 9. Automate and scale with tools. To turn Pinterest into a full-blown business, automation is essential. Use tools like Tailwind to schedule pins in advance. Automate repetitive tasks to free up time for strategy. Analyze what works using Pinterest analytics. Double down on top-performing pins and delete low performers. Create templates in Canva to scale pin production. Schedule batch days to stay consistent without daily effort. Repurpose old content with fresh designs. Scaling is not about working more, it's about working smarter. Build systems and watch your passive income grow. 10. Track, tweak, and grow. Success on Pinterest isn't luck, it's strategy, tracking, and continuous improvement. Look at your analytics weekly to see what's driving clicks. Track conversions from pins to sales or leads. Identify patterns in design, timing, and keywords. Tweak your approach based on data, not guesses. Set clear goals like followers, traffic, or income. Celebrate small wins and refine your process. Test /B variations of your pins regularly. Stay updated with Pinterest algorithm changes. Treat your Pinterest like a business, it will pay like one. If you made it this far, you now have a complete blueprint to start making real money on Pinterest. Whether you're a total beginner or just needed a fresh strategy, these methods can help you turn pins into profits. Now it's your turn to take action, choose one strategy, and start implementing it today. Don't forget, success comes with consistency and creativity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below with your favorite tip. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming money-making guides, hacks, and Pinterest tutorials. Thanks for watching. Your online income journey starts now.